Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to avoid hallucination while using Claude AI. If you are using Claude AI and you want to avoid hallucination when you're using Claude AI or in your responses, so let's see how can do that. So basically, no AI model can completely avoid hallucinations, but you can still avoid some hallucinations by explaining them in your prompts. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here in your browser go to search for Claude AI. Make sure that you're signed into your account. So the very first thing, to avoid hallucination, you just have to refine your prompt. So let's say I have a basic and simple example for this. If you want to use or if you want to ask our AI to distinguish facts, so you just have to don't only use this, that is explain everything about company, and here you must have to enter the company name instead of X. So you don't use to this prompt. You have to simply say answer using only information you are reasonably confident about. If you are uncertain about any point, explicitly state that uncertainty instead of guessing. So once you have entered this prompt or this line, it will only answer with are confident. If if Claude AI has any uncertainty, so it will not guess anything. So you just have to try this. Or if you require evidence or reason for anything, so you can ask your question just like this. You just have to enter for each major claim, briefly explain why you believe it is correct. So the Claude AI will tell you why it believes that the statement or the claim is correct. If a calm cannot be well spotted, say so. So if there will be a calm or there will be no any reason or any proof, so it will not claim that thing. So these are the ways you can use to avoid hallucinations in your responses or in your answers in Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.